How to open a TeraBox link without installing the app. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick app tips. If you receive a TeraBox link and don't want to install the app, here's the safe and official way to open it. First, copy the TeraBox link you received. Second, open any web browser on your phone or computer, like Google Chrome. Third, paste the link into the address bar and tap Enter. When the page opens, look for the option that says Continue in Browser, Web Version, or View Online. Tap that option to access the files without installing the app. If TeraBox asks you to sign in, you can log in with your email or social account directly in the browser. Once logged in, you can preview or download the files depending on the link's permissions. Pro tip: if the page keeps redirecting to the app, turn on Desktop Site in your browser menu. This often forces the web version to load. That's it. Now you know how to open a TeraBox link without installing the app. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and comment "Done" below.